Hey guys, Tony Maritato here. So let's talk about why your surgeon said don't put a pillow under your knee when you're resting or sleeping, even if it's more comfortable. So your surgeon during the first day to the first 6 weeks post-op, they want you to get full range of motion if possible. The main thing is we want to get full extension as soon as possible, and then the rest of the flexion usually follows. But if you, like most patients, find that your knee is uncomfortable, you can't find a good position, if you place a pillow usually perpendicular to the direction of the leg, under the back of the knee, it feels better. What happens is it's taking some of the tension off the posterior aspect of the knee. It's allowing the knee to rest in a slightly flexed position, but if you spend too much time in that position, the knee will start to heal, start to adapt to that position, and it becomes even more challenging to regain full knee extension. You need full knee extension when you're standing, walking, moving around on your feet, so it's important that we get 0 on the goniometer if you're measuring it with a physical therapist, but it's a balancing act. We want you to get good rest. We want you to get good sleep. We want you to feel recovered. Every minute of every day doesn't have to be a challenge, but spending too much time with the knee supported and slightly flexed does lead to the chance that it's going to be harder to gain full range of motion. So usually what I tell my clients is if you're working on knee extension during the day and you want to take an hour rest break or take a little nap and you want to put a pillow under the knee and leave it in that slightly flexed position, you're probably going to be fine. If you already have full knee extension and you want to rest with a pillow under the knee to give you a little bit of relief, probably totally going to be fine. But if you are struggling to get full knee extension, which is 0 degrees, and you find that you're placing that pillow under the back of the knee for extended periods of time, 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours of time, it's probably working against you gaining full range of motion, and you might need to talk to your physical therapist, talk to your surgeon to figure out how you can find a comfortable position without compromising the terminal knee extension. So if you guys have other questions, let me know. I'll catch you guys on the next video.